All right, so we're going to talk about what happens when you raise a variable or a number to the 0 power. So first, you guys should know that the idea of taking, whether it's a letter and raising it to the 0 power or even any number, your answer is always going to be 1. And we'll get into this a little bit later on of kind of why that is, but for right now, that's just the rule that we're going to use. So anytime you see anything raised to the 0 power, that basically cancels out and just becomes 1. So what you're left with this problem is now 2y to the 6th power, all in parentheses, to the 2nd power. So we're going to do what we've been doing and go through, write this out twice, whatever's inside the parentheses gets written out twice, and then again reorganize, multiply the two 2's to get 4, and then y changes to y to the 12th power. Okay, and this next one, so you have to be, again, very careful about what is being raised to the 0 power. So anything in here in the parentheses, so you have just b that's raised to the 0 power, that becomes 1. Okay. And then on the outside, be mindful that this a is the only thing that's being raised to the 0 power. So you're going to end up having to cancel that out, but just that, and that becomes 1. So I'm just going to rewrite this because this is all that's left. And we know by just looking at the 1 to the 3rd power that this here is just going to be 1. So it's really just 4 times 1, which is 4. I'm going to give you guys just one more example to kind of look out for. And let's say you had this crazy expression. If it's all raised to the 0 power and there's parentheses around the whole expression, that's 1. However, if we've got this same expression but it's raised to the 2nd power, again, it's just specific terms that will cancel out and become 1. Okay? So be mindful of what will be left and what you're going to have to do and how different these two problems are.